Hello, Eddie. I have a question.
Hello, Wilson. What can I help you?
When we do PPF and the wrapping installation on the hexagon light, to be honest, the light is not perfect because I can't see all the green and spots on the car painting. We are a professional team. Do you have better lights for PPF and the wrapping installation?
Don't worry, Wilson. You know we provide all light solutions for car detailing shops. I will recommend you the softbox lighting. The softbox lighting is the best option for the PPF and car wrapping works. It will provide enough 6,500 Kelvin bright light and cover all the bay. We can say goodbye to all the shadows and the poorly lit corners. Here are some of our real cases all over the world.
Good. I think this is a good option. I will learn more about it.
Light up your workshop. Find some star.